Hi, I'm the BBQ Butcher, and with me today is...
the Mini BBQ Butcher.
And in today's video, we're going to be tuning in these what we call pork belly ribs, or pork spare ribs. And what are we going to turn them into, Mini BBQ Butcher?
St. Louis ribs.
The reason I'm going to show you this is a lot of people want St. Louis ribs, but they're twice as dear as a spare rib. And I'm just going to show you how at home you can buy a cheap spare rib and turn it into a baby back rib or a St. Louis rib. First, turn them over, and along here you'll see there's soft bones. So you just get your knife, mark it there first, and if you have a look here where I've just cut, you can see that it's actually a soft bone. It's really soft, goes straight through, and this is the cartilage. So you just come along here, and if you go like this, you even go like this, it just goes straight through, done, all like that. And then if you want to get really fancy, cut off there. And this is just all soft bones again, just cut through. He's asking, he wants to do it. He's a bit of a master butcher, but he's going to take my job one day, so I'll just carry on. So there's one whole sheet of what we call a St. Louis cut. We can do the same with this one here. Again, just start here. You'll find the soft bone and just follow down. It's really easy. So there's your another one, all trimmed up, ready to go on your barbecue. The off-cut parts, or what we call in New Zealand soft bones, you can slow cook these as well. They've got fat on them, really tasty. We love eating these. You can boil them. Many different ways you can use these, but we use them on the barbecue as well. So there is what we call, that's turning a cheap pork spare rib into a St. Louis rib, which is more sought after in the industry. And remember, your turn, buddy.
Could we please get 100 likes on this video? Like and subscribe.
Thanks, bud. And remember, as he said, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you up with the next video.